Hello guys! In this video, I'm going to guide you how to fix while play MP3 files. An error comes to Windows Media Player cannot play the file. Let's open and see. As you see this error, while play MP3 music. Let's fix this issue. Please follow my steps. Without skipping this video, go to Run and type appwiz.cpl and hit Enter. Click Turn Window Feature on or off. Here search for Window Features. Untick Window Media Player and click OK. Just wait until finish this one.
You are watching Digital Tech Nepal.
In this channel, you will always find the technical solution. So please subscribe for latest updates.
उहाँको एक्जिटलाई घर जानको लागि बसिरहेको छु यहाँ काटिदिनुस् उहाँ घर जानु
For me it's working. If not, please use another player, such as VLC Play It Act. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye and have a good day.